Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to fix Steam black screen in 2022. Now for this particular error, there are many fixes that you can implement. Now this is one website that I found and it helped me a lot when it comes to fixing black screen on Steam, and that is, these 7 steps right here, right? So now these are 7 different fixes, right? So you can try each of these fixes and see if a particular fix will fix, black screen on Steam. Now for me, it was updating the graphic driver and then adding no-sef sandbox in your Steam shortcut, right? For you, it could be deleting app cache or something different, right? So this really depends on your computer and what you're currently, having on your computer, how your computer acts, when you're, opening the Steam. So I'll make sure to leave this link down in the description below. And what I would first recommend you to do is update your graphics driver, right? Both automatically and manually, and then try to use this 5th step. And after you use these 2 steps, or actually 3 steps, you will be able to fix Steam black screen for the most part and on most computers. Now, if you still have a problem, then make sure to, try all 7 steps. And yeah, if you have any questions, make sure to leave down in the comments below. I'll make sure to answer all of your questions and, help you out with this problem. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope this fixes your problem with Steam black screen.